My name is Queeness and I'm a part of the Unstoppable Academy.
If I can describe my Queeness in 3 words, she's smart, she's kind, and she can be unstoppable in any way.
The Unstoppable Academy is a year-long mentorship with myself as the mentor representing the construction industry. And I'm paired with Queeness, who has an interest in construction.
Miss Natalie Haydon is a great mentor. She explains words to me very carefully in ways that I can actually understand. She is literally like the best.
Multiplex has been working with LEGO Australia to develop the Learn to Build Schools program. We encounter a lot of the same barriers for girls in our industries, and we've got a joint mission to tackle that, to inspire creative confidence, and we want to show girls that construction is actually a creative field as well.
It's a one-in-a-lifetime experience, and it's just an educating opportunity and journey to be part of this.
She will widen her perspective about building and engineering, and in the future maybe she will continue this career. She can be unstoppable in everything that she will do.
Today we followed the pathway of the international passenger through the international airport.
When I saw the poster, I was like, wow.
That poster, oh my goodness, there's no word to describe.
So when I was a kid, I didn't even know what construction was. So what this mentorship is great for is educating girls so that they can see it and believe it and be what they can see.
Queeness is so lucky to have this kind of opportunity on her young age. My advice to all the parents out there is continue to listen to your kids, keep supporting them what they want, because I believe in saying that if you love your job, you don't feel like you are working.
I know that I can inspire those young girls out there and get the message out there that construction can be a future career for them.